In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located on the driver's side of your engine bay. Let's get into it. Disconnect the negative terminal, use a 10mm wrench. Set that to the side. Now we can disconnect the positive side. Same 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut. Wiggle that off. And pull that to the side. Just push the cover down. It's okay. Using a 10mm socket, loosen up the nuts for the hold down. There is a hook at the base, so you don't have to take it off completely. Just pull the hook. Just pull the hook off from the bracket down below. The same on the back one. You don't even have to loosen the nut on the back one. Slide that bracket off. Around the battery, there is an insulation just to keep the battery cool or warm. And grab the battery and you can pull it out. Now take the battery, slide it in position. Take the insulation, push that over the battery. Take the hold down bracket, get this lined up, put the hook through the mounting hole, and do the same on the front one. It's going to go on the inside where the mounting hole is, closer to the battery. And we'll tighten this down. And snug that down. Take the positive terminal, get this lined up, push that on. Tighten down the terminal. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Put the cap on. And you can put the negative terminal on. Tighten that down. Give it a wiggle, and that's tight. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.